Hi there. So after setting up company, store, till and business partners, I will show you how to set up product, its characteristics, category and price list. So the product setup will help me create products that I buy and sell. I will click here on next step to start with product characteristics first. Product characteristic should be created according to which you want to group or classify your products. For example, color, shape, size, brand, and many more. So I will click here on create and I will enter the name, let's say as brand. Here description is taken automatically. We can change if we want to, and we can select type of data from this drop down. For brand we select this as tab. We can also assign any default value. For video purpose we are keeping this as blank and click here on save. Another one, design code. For this type of data will be number and click here on save. Next we are creating a characteristic for color and the type of data for color will be list. So I will click here on add button and add the list values. Now I'll click on save. I will close this tab and go back to our dashboard and select this as mark as done. Now I'll click on next and start with product category. Product category is used to group products having similar characteristics. A retail store will consist large number of products, and product category makes it easier to manage inventory. In ARI we can create categories as necessary and then link them up with product characteristics. So I click here on create and create the first category as watch. We'll select the taxes applicable if any on this category from this drop down, and if we want to link any characteristic with this category we will click here and select the category again and click here on save. We'll create one more and click here on save. So once it says record saved successfully, we will close this tab, go back to our ARI dashboard, click here on mark as done. Now progress bar increased to 60%. So I will click here on next step and continue with creating products. In products we create items that we buy and sell. Products can be classified as stock, assembly, service and kit. So I click here for creating a product. Let's say the name is Titan Raga watch. Unit of measurement is unit. We'll select a product category from this drop down and product type is stock. We'll select the characteristic value and click here on save. Create one more product. Unit of measurement unit, and we'll select clothing as category. Now in ARI, I can set parameter for whether zero amount is allowed in outward and inward transactions for individual products. I can select the value from this drop down. Now I click here on save. Close this window. Click on mark as done and the progress bar increase to 70 and click here on next step. Price list can be linked with products. Sales and purchase price list can be linked with product category wise with option to set effective date to make price list effective from any specific date. So I'll click here on create and we'll be redirected to item price.